Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is peanut butter Butterfinger cookies. So I started off by softening my butter. I added my peanut butter in there as well too, and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Kind of just easier to deal with peanut butter when it's been heated up a little. So I'm going to cream those together for a moment. Then I'm going to add in baking soda, baking powder, and my sugars. This recipe calls for both granulated white sugar and brown sugar. And I'll put the full recipe below in the description box and also link the cookbook it came from. Made a lot of desserts from this cookbook and it's pretty good. So I'm going to mix those together. And then I'm going to add in 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And give that another mix. Then I gradually added in the flour. And once that's completely mixed, all you have to do is chop up your Butterfinger bars. So the recipe calls for 4 of the regular size Butterfingers. I misread it, and for some reason I only wrote down 3 for my grocery list, so that's all I'm adding in today is 3 of them. Still worked out fine, but I just kind of shaved them down to smaller pieces. And then I'm going to fold that into my cookie dough. I also preheated my oven to 375. And once that's well incorporated, you can go ahead and roll it out into small balls of dough. It said to do about 1-inch balls and place them a few inches apart from each other. I always use a cookie scooper. That kind of helps get them uniformed, so that they bake evenly. I baked them for about 7 to 9 minutes, and this is what they look like when they came out. And here's what it looked like when they completely cooled down. And these were so good. Did not last very long in my house, a little chewy. And if you like Butterfingers, you like peanut butter, you're probably gonna like these. So make sure if you try it, leave me a comment below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.